the iON Manufacturing Solution Overview training program. To better understand the use of iON in the manufacturing business, you will be introduced to various managers of JAL Pumps, a leading borewell submersible pump manufacturer. They will lead you through the system and show you how to perform some key transactions. Vijay, the inventory manager at JAL Pumps, is a very methodical person. All his records are up to date. He can track his inventory anytime as he has all the data at his fingertips. This helps JAL Pumps track receipt of goods, material consumption and transfers, stock adjustments, and movement of scrap, among others. It also helps in generating extensive inventory costing and valuation and planning the min-max data. Sushant, the production manager, had mentioned to Vijay that there might be some wastage of shafts during the production stage. This information made Vijay unsure about the actual quantity of shaft X5 lying in the inventory. So right now, he wants to take a snapshot view of shaft X5 lying at the store. Vijay selects Item Inventory from the Inventory tab on the manufacturing screen, which takes him to the Item Inventory screen. He then enters the item code and clicks the search button. The list of inventory for the selected item is displayed. You have just seen how Vijay tracks inventory by an item. Vijay can also track inventory according to site, location, and batch. While checking the inventory for shaft X5, Vijay suddenly discovers that there is some discrepancy between the book stock and physical stock of shaft X5. He immediately calls his assistant Supriya to investigate discrepancies in stock levels. Let's see what Vijay tells Supriya. Supriya goes to the item inventory logger to find out the details about shaft X5. Vijay just received a call from Pune saying that there is a shortage of 100 impellers and that the factory at Mumbai has enough impellers. He decides to transfer 100 impellers from Mumbai to Pune. Vijay has to account for transfer of impellers from Mumbai to Pune in the books. Vijay selects Material Transfer from the Inventory tab on the manufacturing screen, which takes him to the Search Material Transfer page. Vijay clicks Create, which opens up the Material Transfer screen. In the Material Transfer screen, Vijay types in the transfer description, selects the target site, and enters the item code. He then clicks Submit to complete the process. There are several kinds of material transfers that can be accounted for in the system, such as inter-site, intra-site, issue to subcontractor, and receive from subcontractor. A material issue is done to release materials to the production floor. For instance, Supriya has to issue 10 liters of lubricant for the working of the assembly machine used in manufacturing the borewell submersible pumps. To account for this in the system, Supriya has to do a material issue. Supriya selects Material Issue in the Inventory tab on the manufacturing screen to display the Search Material Issue screen. She then clicks the Create button. Supriya enters the issue description and after selecting the job orders, enters the item code and issue quantity. She then clicks on the Submit button for Vijay to approve. When Vijay approves, the material issue process will be complete and 10 liters of lubricant will be available on production floor for use. It so happened that out of 100 pistons issued to manufacture borewell submersible pumps, only 95 pistons have been used. The remaining 5 pistons have to be recalled and accounted for in the inventory. A material receipt is done to recall unused raw materials previously issued. To recall the pistons in the inventory from production floor, Supriya has to do a material receipt. Supriya selects material receipt from the inventory tab on the manufacturing screen. This takes her to the search material receipt screen. She now clicks on Create to go to material receipt screen. She selects a job order against which pistons were issued with the help of item inventory logger. From the item details section, Supriya selects the item code and receipt quantity. She then clicks the Submit button for Vijay to approve. The system stock of gaskets and the actual number of gaskets do not match. While the inventory level shows 500 gaskets, the actual number of gaskets is only 495. Now Supriya has to adjust the level of stock for gaskets in the system. The same process can be followed to account for wastages during the production stage. Supriya selects Unplanned Receipt from the Inventory tab, which takes her to the Search Unplanned Receipt screen. She then clicks Create. She enters the item code. She then enters the adjustment quantity. Supriya then selects the appropriate operation. In this case, it is subtraction. After these details have been filled, Supriya clicks the Submit button. The most remarkable features of iON manufacturing solution are that it allows easy monitoring of raw materials and facilitates the process of purchase order creation automatically. Whenever the inventory level for a particular raw material touches the minimum level specified in the masters, the system sends an alert to Vijay when he runs a min-max transaction. Now he knows which raw materials he has to procure. The system also allows him to run min-max for all the raw materials for which min-max planning master is configured with just a click. For instance, the minimum level of shaft X5 specified in the min-max planning is 25 and the actual available stock is 15. How would Vijay locate this gap among all the raw material levels that he has to check? Let's find out. Vijay selects min-max planning from the Inventory tab in the manufacturing screen. He then clicks Create on the min-max planning search page. He enters the item code. He then clicks Run Min-Max. Vijay then finally clicks Create PR/PO to automatically create a purchase requisition or purchase order. He then clicks Run Min-Max. Vijay then finally clicks Create PR/PO to automatically create a purchase requisition or purchase order.